Samantha Leano. Karen did mention that I did major in bioinformatics at UC Davis, and so I used all of my skill sets to make an extension lab introducing bioinformatics. So this is actually for, this introduction for bioinformatics is designed to engage students in analyzing unknown data, and so for 2 specialized programs. So in this scenario, students will assume the role of a research team member who has discovered alien DNA on a meteorite, and after sequencing that DNA, this becomes the student's responsibility to analyze data using advanced tools. So the first program I'm going to introduce is the BLAST program, and that's a basic local search alignment tool. And basically, they'll have their unknown DNA, and they're going to have it put into a program where it's going to match similar DNA sequences. And that's essentially what it's going to identify: the similar species, it has gene regulations, and then the percentage of similarity to that DNA. And then the other program is the UCSC Genome Browser. That's a visualizing tool that helps explore detailed genomic data and the gene structure and all the introns, exons, and then the gene length. And so I believe this lab is a very valuable tool for students because it introduces them to a critical area in research, which is understanding and analyzing biological data. And it's also, bioinformatics is a growing field in biotechnology, and students gain early exposure to tools widely used by both academic and industry researchers. Contrary to the misconception, right, that bioinformatics is purely about coding, this lab highlights the importance of data analysis in real-world research. So the prerequisites, right? This lab is it's just like a basic understanding of the difference between introns and extrons, chromosome structure, and then like the central dogma. And beyond that, lab is free, it's easily accessible to all students, and it requires no coding skills, right? And does not involve any downloading of any software whatsoever. If you have any questions, just let me know. My email is on the main website as always, and then, yeah, do we have any questions? Yes.
Where did you say this lab is?
This lab is actually going to be in the drive, the teacher resources drive, under the precision medicine lab. It's actually going to be an extension to the precision medicine lab when we have the precision medicine lab hosted. So
it's not accessible right now?
It is accessible.
Oh.
It is accessible. It's actually in the drive. It's just, it's going to be in the EPM folder. Mm-hmm.
Under EPM Extension Lab.
Well, under EPM Extension Lab.
It in the PowerPoint before we share it, so you have it.
Yes. I would recommend, this is a 60-minute lab normally. However, I've heard from feedback from other teachers that it could take 2 days. So you can have them do one file as an example, like do one sample of DNA and then have them do other ones to compete on which ones are similar. So
Do they have to do EPM before they do this?
no, they don't have to do EPM. No.
So it's not really an extension of EPM?
Yeah, it's not really an extension, but it's because there's the bioinformatics, it was just kind of hard to categorize it in a way because it was a very unique lab. But it's one of the many fields in biotech that I would like to introduce to students. Yeah, all right, perfect.